FastMCP 3 implements resource-to-tool transformation through server-level middleware that dynamically exposes URI-addressable data endpoints as callable functions. The framework's decorator-based resource registration system enables both static and parameterized resource definitions, while the resources as tools transform generates standardized tool interfaces for clients lacking native resource protocol support. We're about to examine how a FastMCP server initializes with labeled identification, registers two distinct resource types through URI-templated decorators, and applies a transform that automatically creates tool endpoints for resource discovery and access. The configuration demonstrates how resource functions return serialized data, while the transform handles the protocol adaptation layer. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP server transforms, import resources as tools. MCP equals FastMCP my server. At MCP, resource config //app. Def app config str. Application configuration. Return app name. My app version 100. At MCP, resource user //user ID /profile. Def user profile user ID SDR. Get a user's profile by ID. Return F user ID. Userit name userit. Hash add the transform creates list resources and read resource tools. MCP add transform resources as tools. This code demonstrates FastMCP's resource system and how transforms bridge protocol gaps between clients. The pattern shows two key concepts: defining resources with the @MCP, resource decorator, and exposing them to tool-only clients via the resources as tools transform. The implementation creates two resources: a static configuration at config //app and a templated user profile at user //user ID /profile. The static resource returns fixed JSON, while the templated resource dynamically generates responses based on the userid parameter. This distinction matters because clients interact with them differently. Static resources use exact URIs, while templates require parameter substitution. The resources as tools transform solves a critical interoperability problem. Some MCP clients only understand tools, not resources. By adding this transform, the server automatically generates two tools: list resources, which returns metadata about all available resources, and read resource, which fetches specific resources by URI. This approach maintains full server middleware support while enabling access for limited clients. The transform handles template matching automatically, extracting parameters from URIs like user //42 /profile to call the underlying resource function correctly. For binary resources, it even handles base 64 encoding transparently. The trade-off is slight overhead from the transform layer, but this enables broader client compatibility without requiring protocol upgrades. Let's break it down. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Imports the FastMCP class from the FastMCP module, which provides the core server implementation for the Model Context Protocol (MCP). This class serves as the foundation for creating MCP-compatible servers that can expose tools, resources, and other components to clients. From FastMCP server transforms, import resources as tools. Imports the resources as tools transform class from the FastMCP server transforms module, enabling the conversion of server resources into tool-accessible endpoints for MCP clients that only support tool-based interactions. MCP equals FastMCP my server. Creates a FastMCP server instance with the identifier my server. The string parameter serves as a server label that will appear in MCP protocol handshakes to help clients identify this server. At MCP,
resource config//app.
Decorates a function to expose it as a resource at the URI config//app in the MCP protocol. The decorator registers the function as a resource provider that can be accessed through the specified URI, making its return value available to MCP clients when they request this resource path.
Def app config SDR. Application configuration.
Defines a function named appConfig that returns a string and includes a docstring indicating it provides application configuration. The function signature shows it takes no parameters and is expected to return a string value, though the implementation isn't visible in this segment.
Return app name. My app version 100.
Returns a JSON-formatted string containing application metadata with two fields. App name set to my app and version set to 100. This appears to be providing basic identification information about the application in a standardized format.
At MCP, resource user //user ID /profile. Def user profile user ID. SDR. Get a user's profile by ID.
Defines a resource endpoint at the URI user//user ID /profile that returns a user's profile as a string when called with a specific URID parameter. The decorator at MCP resource registers this function as an accessible resource in the MCP protocol, with the URI template containing a placeholder for the URID path parameter. The function takes a single string parameter URID and returns a string representing the user's profile.
Return F user ID. URID name URID.
Returns a JSON-formatted string containing a user object with URID and a generated name in the format URID. The F string dynamically inserts the URID variable into both the ID and name fields, producing output like URID 123 name user 123 when URID is 123.
Hash add the transform creates list resources and read resource tools. MCP add transform resources as tools.
Adds a transform to the MCP server that creates two tools, list resources and read resource. The resources as tools transform is initialized with the server instance, MCP, enabling clients to access server resources through tool calls even if they don't support the resource protocol directly. FastMCP 3's resource-to-tool transformation pattern enables seamless interoperability between resource-aware and tool-only clients. The server initializes with a labeled identifier, then registers two resource types, a static configuration at config//app and a templated user profile at user//user ID /profile. These resources return serialized data directly, but the resources as tools transform bridges the protocol gap by auto-generating list resources and read resource tools. This transform handles URI template matching, parameter extraction, and even base 64 encoding for binary resources, maintaining full middleware support while enabling access for limited clients. The trade-off is minimal overhead for broader compatibility, demonstrating how FastMCP's decorator-based registration and transform pipeline work together to create flexible, client-agnostic endpoints.
The decorated function sheds its URI skin to serve, yet returns wrapped in JSON armor.